Hello, I'm Michael Glass from michaelglass.com, where we focus on making informed decisions about our financial future. This is our forex technical analysis trading plan for the pound dollar, the euro dollar, and the dollar franc. Before we pull up our video, we always want to start off our disclosures. Any symbols you see today should not be inferred as a trading recommendation. No matter what form of investing you choose, stock, forex, futures, options, they all have a level of risk associated with them. You can lose all of your money. Any strategy we show today are for informational purposes only. Future results are not guaranteed. And finally, any investment decision you make is solely your own responsibility. Trade at your own risk. As we said, this is our forex technical analysis trading plan for the pound dollar, the euro dollar, and the dollar franc. In each video, we look at the prior session's price action to come up with key support and resistance price levels. We'll review the gold chart to come up with leading sentiment. We'll try to create a low volatility and inside bar watch list, and we have an education spotlight at the end. Please send your feedback and comments to contact@dmbfx.com, and let's head to the charts. So here we are looking at the dollar chart, and we can see the consolidation that it has basically been in for the month of December. 79 acting as resistance, which we have been watching. We do technically have a lower high here. Of course, if we want the market to rally, we need the dollar to be weak because of that inverse relationship. But the dollar right now is showing sideways action. And so we'll probably see that also in gold. And you can see, although gold certainly is in a great uptrend, but as we zoom in, we can start to see gold is starting to bounce between 1660 and 1800. We'll go in a little bit more so we can see it better. And so gold is definitely in a range here. And so as the dollar begins to consolidate, we're seeing the same thing here in gold. Definitely need to see it break below 1700, 1760-ish to start seeing if it's going to test the bigger channel support and resistance price levels. And then, although MasterCard is a great chart, so is crude oil if you like it. But remember, as we talked about this range, 96 to 102 here. We talked about this range that the market was in. We fell out, and now we'll zoom in. And on this great rally that the market had, it's rallied where? Right back up to 102. Where did it find support? Right here at 96. 200 moving average, back up, 102. So we're starting to see this begin to consolidate again, which might keep our gas price levels here at this price level also. So consolidation on crude oil also. Here we are looking at the daily chart for the euro dollar, and we can see that we're in this range between 1.318 and 1.34. But we're really going sideways here as they are trying to figure out how to save the euro, bring some stability to the euro. We know we had the European summit with some commentary coming on Friday, and we see some sideways action here. And technically you could say this 20 moving average is acting as resistance here for the euro, but definitely we're seeing some range bound action. And again, what's going to be our catalyst to move us out of this range? The same thing we said last week, the same thing we're saying this week. What's going to be our catalyst to get us out of this range? As we come to our 1 hour time frame, we can see we're well below our long-term moving average while we're in the neutral zone. And really, you can see some lower highs here, but for the most part, you see this consolidation here that is prevalent on the daily chart. We see it on the 1 hour chart. So we're in a neutral zone, below our long-term moving average. Ever so slightly, the euro is in control, which may allow us to move up. We'll have to see. Our currency is below our long-term moving average, kind of moving sideways. But again, some lower highs in here. Here's the dollar below its long-term moving average, slightly lower, although you could easily say sideways. You can see really they're snaking amongst each other, and even our indicator is in the neutral zone. So what's going to be a catalyst to get us out of the neutral zone, get us out of this range, and start seeing some trending on the euro dollar? See a little bit similar action here on the pound dollar. We did come down, make a little new low here. You certainly could draw a line here at 1.541. And now we're in this range here, which is 1.58 down to about 1.55. A lot of sideways action. However, here we're above the 20 moving average. With the euro dollar, we were below the 20 moving average, but still sideways price action. We're still on a 1-hour time frame below our long-term moving average. We're still in a neutral zone, even though we're on the top side of it. Here, we can see that the dollar is in control though, but both moving averages are still below their long-term moving average. Both currencies are below their long-term moving average, and our neutral indicator here is in the neutral zone. So overall, some more neutral indicators. What's going to be our catalyst to get us out of this range? We're going to finish off with the dollar franc, and we can see again our resistance of 0.928. We have a double top putting in here. Now you can say a triple top. Definitely the sellers are finding value here, keeping the price from breaking higher. And again, we say what's going to be our catalyst to get us to move higher. We are also in a neutral zone. However, we're above that long-term moving average. At the end of the day, the franc took control, but like everything else, both the franc and the dollar are below their long-term moving average, and our indicator is in a neutral zone. So a lot of sideways action, which surprised me because we didn't have anything on our Bollinger Band low volatility watch list, which we're going to talk about shortly, because we see all this consolidation, but it's a sort of wicked whip on the consolidation, not just a tight range consolidation. As we look at today's watch list, we first start off with the low volatility watch list, which is our 1-hour time frame using a Bollinger Band. We're looking for a Bollinger Band squeeze, some consolidation. But currently we don't have any specific candidates. We have some, but they're not set up yet, so we'll have to wait and see. Our inside bar watch list is looking at the daily time frame and comparing it to the previous day. In this situation, look at the daily candles for Friday and see if any are within Thursday's candle, and we can see we have the dollar yen and the dollar franc. So you mark the high and low Friday and you look for a break in the direction of the trend. We've been talking a lot about trading plans and trading systems and trading rules, and as you go through that process of constructing your trading plan, you have to take your schedule. What time do you have available to trade in consideration to the type of trading strategy you're going to use? When I first started trading, I was an end-of-day trader because I was teaching. And so, I looked at options. If you can't be in front of your computer, then you might want to look at longer time frames. If you can't micromanage, then day trading may not be your thing. So you have to look at your schedule and look at the time that you have available to trade to help you determine both on what investment vehicles you're going to choose, but also what trading setups, what strategies you're going to look at so that they match well, again, with your schedule, again, with your tolerance for risking money. As you know, you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our videos. We got some great things coming for you in 2012. We really want to see the engagement, the interaction with you guys pick it up. So we have some more daily videos coming up, some more tutorial videos coming up. So we really want to make sure that you subscribe to our channel to make sure you're getting all of our new videos coming here in 2012. We have our great 5 video course on high probability trading. It kind of helps you frame the market, give you an insight to what should be included in your high probability trading setup, leveling playing field, making sure you're trading with the pros and not against them. We hope that gives you a gauge to who we are as coaching and how we can help you one-on-one develop a personalized trading plan, make sure that your trading plan, trading system, trading rules, trading strategies align to who you are as a trader, and give you that psychological capital by developing a trader's mindset so you can follow that trading plan each and every day. Why not get paid to trade? If you're trading Forex, why not get rebates to trade? Doesn't change the spreads, doesn't change the conditions, just rebates for your Forex trade. And finally, if you're looking for signals, we've got that too. Get the signals, trade them for yourself, or have the signals traded automatically. In the end, it's all about understanding who you are as a trader, developing a trader's mindset so that you can have a psychological capital to pull the trigger on each and every trade. And that's what we can do through our mentor program, is give you that psychological capital, help you develop that personalized plan to be a successful and consistent trader. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.